So your metabolism isn't broken. It's actually an amazingly adaptive machine. And if you've been under eating, overtraining, skipping meals, running on caffeine and stress, your body's not failing you, it's actually protecting you. It downshifts, it holds on to fat, it tanks your energy, it slows everything down because you told it to. Think of your metabolism like a thermostat. When you fuel it, lift heavy, and recover, you turn the heat up. But when you restrict food and overtrain, your body turns the dial down to conserve energy. So here's the truth. You don't need a reset or a cleanse and not a detox, and certainly not another 1,200 calorie challenge. Here's what you need to do to rebuild your metabolism the right way. Eat real food, a minimum of 30 grams of protein per meal. Strength train with intent, not circuits or fancy dancy bougie boot camps. Fuel around your workouts, especially carbs, not saving them for your evening binge. And sleep like it matters, 7 to 9 hours, non-negotiable. Ditch the snacks and build real meals. Lastly, stay consistent, not perfect, just consistent. This is what I do with my clients every single day, and it works. So are you sick of spinning your wheels, ready to reignite the fire? Then message me if you're ready to turn up that heat and build a body that actually burns again.